Hi, I'm going to be doing Lesson 8 in the Express course. This is Nested Loops in Maze. So this actually is going to help you make things, it's going to allow you to do repetitive moves much easier. So let's show you how we get started. So first of all, this is just a typical, you want this bee to get the nectar. So he has to move forward, and then he could move forward again and get nectar. And move forward again and get nectar. But if you notice, this is going to allow us to do this. So he's happy, but when he does it, oops, gotta go back. You'll notice that it's not a closed-in green circle there. That's because we did too many or too less steps. So we have to go through and use a loop. Instead of doing this repetitive part right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, you're going to move forward and get nectar 2 times. And I don't need this stuff. And let's see what happens. If you look at my workspace right here, 5 out of 5 blocks. That's how I know I'm on the right track. There we go. So we completed that puzzle. All right. Here's another one. In this particular one, I'm going to move forward. And then I'm going to move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. That's going to be repeated 2 times. So just like in the previous one, I'm going to do that move forward and then move forward, get nectar twice. But now I have to turn. I'm going to have to turn to the left. And now I have to move forward. And then I have to move forward and get nectar twice. So I'm going to include another loop here. So I've moved forward, and then I've moved forward and gotten nectar from these 2. And then I've turned left, moved forward, and then I've moved forward and gotten nectar from these 2. Now I'm going to turn left again. And I'm going to move forward. And then again, I'm going to do that repeat twice of moving forward and getting nectar. If you look at my workspace, it says 15 out of 15. So I've completed I've done it properly. I have the right number of blocks. Uh-oh. Did I turned left and I should have turned right. I'm sorry. All right, let's try this again. All right. Now, I do want to go back to this because what I'm going to show you right now is how to make a nested loop work. You'll notice that I've moved forward, repeat 2 times, turn right, move forward, repeat 2 times, turn right, move forward, repeat 2 times. I don't have turn right here, but that would have been okay if I would have turned right. What I want to do, how many times do you see this same code? This same code, how many times do you see it? I see that same code 3 times. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a loop in here. I'm using the repeat 3 times. This is what is, oops, sorry about that. This is what is called a nested loop because inside of this loop, I'm going to be putting a loop. I'm going to get rid of this. Get rid of this. All right. So that's how we do a nested loop. And if you want to see that again, please rewind this video now. I would watch this video if I were you. It's going to give you some good information. I'm not going to watch it right now. All right, so in number 4, this is asking us to look closely at the nested loops below. What will happen when you click run? So 3 times, this bee is going to move forward. So it's going to move forward and then repeat 2 times. This move forward, get nectar. So move forward, get nectar. Then turn right. Then it's going to repeat that again. Move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. Turn right. Last time, it's going to move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. So based on what I see, the bee is going to get all of the nectar. That's letter C. Right. All right. Now, in this one, I'm going to have this bee move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. So that's to repeat that 3 times. So he's going to move forward, get nectar 3 times. Then he's going to have to turn right. And then he's going to have to repeat this whole code. So what I'm going to do is put this here. I know that he's going to have to move forward and get nectar. Then he's going to have to turn right. This pattern is going to repeat 4 times because this is one side. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Turn right. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Turn right. That's the second time we've done that loop. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. That was the third time we did that loop. Going to turn right. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. There is nectar underneath this bee. So that's how that loop gets run. Let's check it out. All right. All right, so now we are kind of done with the bee, and now we're looking at a zombie. The zombie wants to get to the sunflower. I'm going to expand this just a little bit because this piece is a little strange. So this guy, do you know what that is? This guy is this is like a bad news guy. So if he touches that, he will croak. So we're going to go forward 1, 2, 3 spaces. Then we're going to have to turn left 1, 2, 3 spaces. Now we're going to have to turn left 1, 2, 3 spaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on repeat. That was 3 times that I said that we were going to move forward. And then we have to move forward 3 spaces. And then we're going to have to turn left. And we have to do that same thing 3 times.
Brains.
so sick. So sick. All right. So in this particular puzzle, we have to really avoid all of these guys. So I'm going to have to get this guy over here. I can't go this way. I'm going to have to go down, but I can't go too far. So now when I get here, I'm going to have to go over and up. So this is moving forward 1, 2, 3 spaces. I'm going to have to turn to the right. 1, 2, 3 spaces. Turn to the right. 1, 2, 3 spaces. So that's 3 times. Then I'm going to be doing a repetitive movement. I'm going to have to move forward 3 spaces and then turn right.
Brains.
And then I guess he's eating the brains. Hey, hey, hey. All right. So now we're in number 8. For this one, I'm going to have to move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces. Now I'm going to turn left. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to turn right. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to turn left. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use a couple of these loops. So I have to go forward 3 spaces. So I'm going to build this with you actually. So I'm not putting that there yet. I have to move forward 3 spaces. Then I'm going to have to turn left. Then I will have to move forward 3 spaces. Then I will have to turn right. This will then get repeated twice because I go forward, left, turn right, go forward, left again. So I'm going to put that on repeat 2 times. And I'm going to drag this in here.
Brains.
And if this is something that you want to go back to and re-watch, you can rewind this video. You could watch this video on a slower play, or you could certainly send me an email and let me know that you are interested in doing a Google Meet. I'm happy to do that with anybody. All right. Now this guy is over here. Sunflower's over here. He's going to have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left. That was 3 times that I said that. So let's get this in here. So 3 times he's going to move forward 5 times and then turn left. So this is telling us to repeat 3 times. Move forward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left. So that's going to get us to right here. Now when he gets here, he's going to have to move forward 1, 2, 3 times. He's going to have to turn left. 1, 2, 3. So that was 2 repeats. of moving forward 3 times now, not 5 times, because it's a shorter line. And then turning left.
Brains.
All right, here's a challenge puzzle. So in this puzzle, I see that I have to move forward and collect some nectar. And this is move forward 1, 2, 3 times. So I have to repeat this 3 times. I'm going to have to move forward, collect my nectar 3 times. Then I'm going to have to turn right. And this is going to keep repeating 4 times because I'm going to go all the way around. So let me scooch this out and let's put this in here. And that would repeat, like I said, 4 times. So what that would do is that would get us around this perimeter, and I would collect 1 nectar from each. I noticed something's a little bit different here though. Instead of 1 nectar being here, how many pieces of nectar are in each of these? I see the number 12. So we actually have to get nectar 12 times because there is 12 nectar in each of these. Uh-oh, something's not right yet. Did I turn? I should have turned right. I'm sorry. I turned left. I should have turned right. All right, so this guy's pretty happy. All right, so here we have a couple things going on. Again, I'm going to be moving forward. How many nectar do I have here? 4. So I'm going to be needing to move forward. And then I'm going to have to collect nectar 4 times every time that I get to a flower. This is going to happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, so 5 times I have to move forward and then collect 4 nectar. When I get here though, I'm then going to have to make honey. How much honey do I make? 4. So I have to move forward again. And then I'd have to make honey. I'm going to use the number 4 there because there are 4. The number 4 is indicated by the honey. Here's a happy one. All right. We have to make all the honey. So I'm going to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times I'm going to move forward and make honey. Then I'm going to have to turn left. And then I'm going to move forward and make honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. So I could just put that there. Oh, I did that wrong. I'm sorry. I have to take the turn left out. And I need to put another loop to indicate that after I turn left, I'm going to be repeating the same pattern. So I have to repeat that 2 times. All right, something's not right yet. I need this in here. Okay, so I put this turn left. I accidentally had it at the very bottom, and I actually need it after, because this is the loop. Repeat 5 times. Move forward, make honey, turn left. This is the loop that needs to then repeat 2 times. All right, so now we have to look closely at this code. It says repeat 2 times. So this is the code that's going to repeat 2 times. This is saying repeat 2 times. Move forward, make honey. So move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Okay, now it's saying to turn left. Repeat 2 times. Move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Turn right. Now I'm repeating this whole code twice. So far I'm here. Move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Turn left. Move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Turn right. So how much honey have I gotten to this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to say 8. One more time, I just want to make sure that I show you this code. This entire code is going to repeat twice. You're going to move forward, make honey twice, then turn left. Then move forward, make honey twice, and then turn right. So the first part of our code has us taking this. The second part of our code has us taking this. It asks us to do that 2 times. So this is 1, 2, and that's where I'm getting 8 from. All of the honey up until this point. Let's see if I'm right. I put the number 8 there. All right, sounds good. All right, and like always, try a challenge. See how that goes. And I'm sure you guys are doing a great job. Please make sure that when you're done with your code, that you have all dark green circles. If you have light green circles, that means that you haven't completed a particular section properly. So I need you to have all dark green circles. All right, thank you.